Oh my goodness, we've got so much beautiful things coming in from New York. You know, they've shipped the holidays and they're sending it. You know, we're able to get a lot of the current fresh. It's just stunning. So I have a collection today that is just going to be incredible. It's just beautiful. This blue boucle is our main piece. It's a sweater knit. But you can see as I bring it across how it changes with each of the fabrics that you put it with. So it's just a really fun piece of fabric. Again, that boucle, I'll get to that in a minute, but I wanted to show you, these are Ponteromas. These Ponteromas are all, they're the same and yet a little bit different. This is a black. I haven't had a nice black Ponteroma in a while. And what we're doing with all of these everything is $16.99 today. It will go up today and tomorrow because they're such great fabrics. This is a cotton poly, but a beautiful hand. Again, $16.99 is a steal. This, and you can see I want to put it with it. Isn't that beautiful together? This is 100% cotton. A beautiful hand of lavender. This being kind of the wine, these colors are so popular right now. This is a wool. It's a wool poly blend. And again, it's $16.99. I think we paid more than that for it. Stretch in both directions. The Royal, 100% cotton. They're just gorgeous. They're so pretty. And you can see it just really blends with everything. It just pulls out different colors. So this is a cotton poly sweater knit. It's a boucle. It's beautiful. It has stretch in one direction. It'd be perfect for like Hugo's cardigan, any of the cardigans in there, sweater set. There's so many options. And then this is lighter. I put this on the end because it's a beautiful color. This is a wool. And it's a wool, it's got a little bit of poly in it, but it's t-shirt weight. So it'd be beautiful to make just something great on top. It could be a skirt, it could be a dress, it could be a sheath, but it's light and it's beautiful. And it has stretch in one direction. All right, so that is a gorgeous sampling. Again, today, all $16.99. The goal is happy sewing.